I want to show you how to use the website Chinese for Aotearoa. Now, first of all, when you want to study Chinese in this website, you have to remember that the first lessons are at the end. Okay, so this one's the February the 16th, and this one's February the 17th. Okay, so if you come in at February the 17th, then you might need to go back and look at this one first. Okay, now if you later on there will be a lot of lessons on here, so you can use the blog archive to go right back to the beginning. Okay, and try and do the one at the bottom of the archive first and then work your way forward. Okay, if it's too easy, then you can go on to harder stuff. Now, the posts are cut off a little bit, so you just see the beginning of the post here. Okay, this one here is called I Love You. I love you. Then click on the link to learn to write the characters. But where are the characters? Okay, you need to click on read more. So go here. Here's the characters. So you want to learn to write them. So you just click on that one and it takes you to the MDBG dictionary where you can see an animated writing lesson. Okay, there's what. And so now the program is writing the word for you. See, this part here is in red because the radical, this part here, is more important for understanding the meaning of the word. You don't need to worry about it too much now, but every Chinese character is made up of two parts, the radical and the second part, which usually gives some clue about the meaning or the sound. Now here you've got wo I, ni. Now this is the traditional writing. It's more difficult to do, and it's used in Taiwan and in Hong Kong and by some people in Singapore. The traditional writing was very difficult to learn, and when mainland China wanted to have more and more people learning to read and write, they introduced a simplified system where the characters are made easier to learn. They did this in the hope that more people would be able to learn Chinese more quickly. I don't know whether it worked or not, but at any rate in China they use this writing system. Hong Kong and Taiwan and parts of Singapore use this. Now if you go up here, here's a link to the MDBG dictionary. If you right click on it, you can open it in a new tab. Now the MDBG dictionary you can put in here. Here you can write English or Chinese. Okay, so blue is here. Now here blue is the yellow color because yellow is the color for the tones. Okay, see here? So that's ah, 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 ah. And a neutral tone is just ah. Okay, so we know that the pronunciation for blue in Chinese is l, a, n, lan. Okay, let's see if I've got that right or not. We can listen. Whoopee, I got it right. Okay, now here's the traditional Chinese writing, and here's the simplified Chinese writing. Okay, remember simplified is in mainland China. If you see a Chinese word that you don't know and you want to look it up in the MDBG dictionary, you can copy it into the dictionary. That's by using the right mouse button, okay? I'm going to click on the right mouse button now. See? and then choose paste with the left mouse button. Dum da dum dum. Okay, so there we have it. War. Okay. War. Okay. And here's the English meaning. I, me, my. And these are really funky. This is the same as pressing on here. This gives you more information about the writing. Here you can look at it really, really big, okay, which is good if some of the words are really difficult to copy, then sometimes you want to see a big version. Here it tells you some information about the radical. This is the radical here. And then there's 3 more strokes, I think so. Yeah, so it's the radical and 3 more strokes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Total number of strokes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 7 strokes. This stuff here is different pronunciation systems and different kinds of dictionary references, so don't worry about that. Okay, here you can get to see how the writing can look in different writing styles. Oh no, that's the animation for how to write it. This one here gives you the different writing styles. This gives you information just Googling it, which is not really quite so much fun. And this one here is to add to your Scritter vocabulary. I don't know very much about Scritter. Maybe I'll find out more later. But I guess it's a program for studying Chinese. So if you're learning this, you can add it to your vocabulary for studying. Okay, so I think that's everything that you need to know today. So I will say bye-bye to you now. Bye-bye.